Yeah.
Hello, everybody. So today I'm incredibly excited because I have got the legendary Jeff Goodwin on with me, who joined the team a little while back now, but is doing incredible things within the Ninja Group. So Jeff, thank you so much for jumping on with me today.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
That's no problem. So if people don't know you already, could you just give us a little bit about your background and where you live, what you do, and what made you first look at Forex?
Yeah, well, I've been working in the hospitality industry for a good number of years now, I think 7 years or so. And when when I first came across Forex, I was managing 2 hotels in Thailand.
Wow.
Beautiful island of Thailand. And then I think it was March the 10th last year, everybody was out of job. It was like, bye-bye, we'll let you know when we need you.
Wow. This is COVID, isn't it? This is COVID-19 that hit, yeah.
And it was like, we'll keep in contact with you, but nothing.
Wow.
So that's what I was doing.
Wow, frightening though, for that suddenly to just hit and have such a massive impact on your life.
And when you think about it now, I'm so thankful I have Forex and the Ninjas, because I have control of my life. So in the future, no matter what happens, I know I have that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's real. It really hits home hard.
Wow, I can imagine. So did you do any sort of trading before this happened, or was you just into hotels?
Years ago, many years ago, a bit like Paul, I dabbled in, I did quite a high level in NLP as well, to be honest, and coaching.
Wow.
I used to coach coaches as well.
Fantastic. I didn't know that about you. I think NLP is very powerful.
Yeah, and I first came across Forex when 2 guys came to me saying, Jeff, what is it? There was 2 big issues: fear and greed. Fear of getting into the trade, or they would change a winning trade with a really big win to a loss because the greed factor kicked in. And that one of my things, I had to resolve that for them, trying to help them.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's mindset is a massive part of Forex, I think, and the fact that you've got that NLP background has got to help you a little bit with your trading as well, because it's human nature to be a little bit greedy and that sort of thing. And I think that sort of mindset and just being able to control yourself a little bit with the trading is going to be helpful, and for you to be able to help other people with that as well, that's a massive bonus, isn't it? Fantastic.
Yeah.
So what first attracted you to the Ninja team though? What was it about the Ninja team that you thought, right, I need to start trading?
Well, when COVID hit, I was looking around. I had no idea whatsoever. And a friend of mine who was in the hospitality industry, Paul, he was working in Bali, Indonesia at the time.
Yeah.
I saw him online. He was doing something, and I'm like, Forex. I'm like, that looks the same thing as those guys were doing. I must ask him. So then I reached out, asked him. I said, is there any chance you could teach me? And I went, of course. And you come and you join the team.
Yeah, brilliant.
That was it.
Fantastic. Paul did really well. He's now very much into the gym, isn't he? I watch him a lot online. He's really working out a lot, and he seems to be doing pretty well for himself at the moment.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Excellent. Okay, so when you first looked at Forex yourself, was there a particular strategy or something that attracted you that you started with? How did you get started with the actual trading?
To get started, I would probably say I was a lot slower than the people joining today, to be honest. I don't know why. It
can be quite overwhelming.
Yeah, it is. But when I see people today, a 1 week to less than a month profitable, I'm like, it's unheard of.
I know. When I joined 4 years ago, and I've been on a roller coaster for 3 of those years, not really knowing which direction to go in, because there was so much choice. And I think the fact that we've kind of whittled it down to just one particular easy to follow strategy is helping so many new people just come in and be profitable straight away, which is incredible.
Yeah,
really.
And when NLP looks at 3 things, it looks at cause and effect. It looks at emotions, beliefs, and strategies. So if your emotions aren't right, you're not going to have a good day. And internally, well, on the charts, not
Yeah.
you don't believe you can do it, well, chances are you probably won't.
Yeah.
And if you don't have the correct strategy, but we can resolve that all that
Yeah.
by a nice, easy strategy, as we do, the Ninja trading system.
Yeah, and I heard you say many times the magic D,
yes,
and how powerful the harmonic scanner is within our trading system. So you use that quite a lot with your trading, don't you?
That's my main thing, to be honest. Find the magic D. If the D's at the top, price will drop. If the D's at the bottom, price goes up.
Yeah.
And then you just, the next thing you do, it's so easy for a new beginner. I do 1 hour time scale, move across trading view. I don't go down time frame. I keep it at the 1 hour.
Right.
Ninja down or Ninja up, then enter. And today, I think it was about 85 pips today. Just that's nice and simple.
Wow, fantastic. And it's so wonderful, isn't it? When you look, we've got a Discord chat group within our Ninja team, and you see the people are getting these pips, but some of the pips that we're all getting, we've all been on the same live trading session, and we've all managed to benefit from that one trade that somebody's like looked at for us. So do you think the live sessions are important?
I'd probably say they're the key thing to bring people on, give them the confidence, help them with the belief, as I mentioned it, and you see people winning every single day. Yeah. And it just can't help but build that belief and like get excitement. And they've got to be honest, want to tell your friends, want to share.
Yeah.
Whenever you've got this good stuff, who wouldn't want to share with your family or your friends?
That's it. It's so different from anything I've ever done before, because with this, it's such a wonderful new lifestyle, and it's a skill that you've got for the rest of your life. And why wouldn't you want to share that? Because you don't know who would like to learn that as well. And to be able to just dip into the Forex markets, you know, at your leisure and take profits out, I think it's incredibly powerful. And I love the fact that it works for so many different lifestyles as well. It doesn't matter what your lifestyle is. You can, you know, the Forex markets are open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And then there's crypto at the weekend. So yeah, it's always there available for you. It's just I think you've got to have the mindset that you need to learn this. This isn't something that you can just come into and just go, right, I'm going to do it straight away. But you need to be open-minded enough to sort of listen to what people are telling you, learn the strategy, and then start on demo. Did you start on demo when you first started?
Absolutely.
It's very important. I think people want to just come straight in and start, you know, trading with real money. And I think that's where some people make the mistake. I think people need to come in on demo and just practice until they're confident enough to go live. And I think, you know, they can follow the live sessions, they can take some of the trades and just see the power of this and how wonderful it is. So I know that you run your very own trading group within the Ninja team, and it's Forex Trading for Beginners. Is that correct?
That's correct.
It's a Facebook group. Now,
yes,
I'm always looking at your group because there's something magical about your group. It's got like a really relaxed, magical vibe about your group, and everybody that's in there is so kind and helpful. And I know that you put a lot of content in that group. You're trying to help people all the time. And do you think that's the secret to success with people, is the fact that they know that they can reach out to you and get some help? You know, is that getting a bit overwhelming for you, or do you enjoy that side of things? I
do enjoy it. It can get a bit much, but it's all about giver's gain. You know, if you feel something inside, it's not like a job or anything. You just want to help, and if you just put out posts, little polls, people want to. I'm from here. I'm from there. They're really proud of where they're from, and then you can speak to them about the country, and it's, you know, it's all about education as well. Educating me, educating them.
Yeah. Do you feel like you get a lot out of trying to teach other people? Because as people say that you learn a lot when you try and teach it, don't you? So do you find, from a selfish point of view, teaching it actually is helping you as well? Yeah,
you have to be more precise with your answers. You have to think at a higher level, and therefore the results for yourself. And also, I mean, people are looking up to you as a leader. They're looking for some positive results. Yeah. So yeah, it raises your game up for sure. It does. I feel that too. I think when you're a live trader or you do anything like that, you suddenly, you know, I don't think you really realize how much you understand something until you try and teach it to somebody else, and then you think to yourself, wow, you know, I've really grasped this now. This is incredible. So it's fantastic. So you're doing incredibly well, and you're enjoying your trading journey with us. Yes, thank you very much. Yes. Oh, that's fantastic. Right. So I want to ask your advice about something. Okay.
If anybody is, maybe they've seen Forex on the internet, they've seen Facebook groups, they've seen all this stuff, you know, about Forex, but they're so sort of hesitant and worried about actually taking that leap and getting started. Do you think you've got any advice for somebody that's maybe on the fence, that maybe wants to look at it, but is still really, really skeptical and scared?
Yeah, within our group, um, we have this free education section called Guides, and that allows people to experience us as educators, experience our style, and see the results on a daily basis. And that, for me, I think is a game changer, where people are open and honest to say, look, I'll show you, no charge, no money, no credit card, come and have a look over the shoulder.
Yeah.
And yeah.
And how did you find the recent workshop? We did a workshop, didn't we, in the Ninja Group? Can you tell us a little bit about the workshop?
Well, every day for 5 days. Well, initially it was 5 days. There was a couple of workshops every day. There was a few bonuses thrown in, from the very basics of teaching the Ninja trading system, how to use the software we use. There was a basic strategy. There was more advanced strategy for people who want to learn how to trade like the banks trades. Then there's a special couple of bonuses at the end with crypto and showing you how to actually compound your money, even if you don't have a lot of money, which was really popular.
Yeah, I mean, I was part of the workshop, and so were you. We both put videos in there to help people, but I was watching some of the videos from the other people in the Ninja Troop as well, and I always learn something. The people in this group are so knowledgeable, and they've all got their own kind of little thing that they have really latched onto. Like, you've got David Kahn with his smart money, you've got Brian, who now is just absolutely smashing crypto. And to watch those guys that, you know, trade and share their knowledge with everybody, it's just, you can just see everybody just becoming so successful, and it's such a wonderful feeling to have. We've got such a family feel about our group, and to see everybody going off and doing their own thing and teaching and just being successful, it's a wonderful feeling. So I want to thank you so much for chatting with me today. You've been, I mean, I've been watching your journey, and I'm just so inspired by you. I just think you're an incredible guy, and I just think you're so kind, and your group, you can tell from your group how much they all look up to you, and just thank you for being such a wonderful mentor and helping them. So thank you for being you.
Thank you.
And thank you for always being helpful in the group and always answering people's questions and just being excellent. So thank you so much. And if you want to check out Forex, anybody, if you would like to look at the Ninja Group, please just reach out to Jeff, reach out to me. Jeff's got a brilliant Facebook group called Forex Trading for Beginners. You could probably find that on the internet as well. Just type that in and that will come up. Go and check out his group. Go and check out Jeff, and just, you know, become a part of the Ninjas and just join the family, and we'd be welcoming you with open arms. So thank you so much. And thank you, Jeff.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Take care.